Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing 8 short vowel sounds. First one bat, second one cat, third one rat, can, hat, mat, bat, fat, sat, tan. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all my videos. Next one pan, man, van, ran, ban, jam, ham, ram, dam, cam, dam, yam, palm, mad, bad, dad, sad, had, pad, lad, rad, tag, nag, rag, wag, bag, cap, map, wrap, tap. Thank you for watching video. Please share and subscribe my channel.